Hello, everybody. Sorry, my entire PC crashed and everything crashed. I don't understand what's going on. I don't know why or why it's been doing this recently. We just literally got a new Wi-Fi, and I know our Wi-Fi obviously does not correlate to my PC crashing a lot, but I gotta figure that out at some point today. That's so annoying. It's been doing this almost like every day this week once I like stream up to an hour. So I need to go through my PC and figure out what's going on, but my entire thing just completely crashed. It just went screen blank, and I called Chris, and Chris is like, I don't even know what I'm looking at. So that's not great. Not the Gucci flip-flops, but we are back. We are back. So let us go get the game booted up. And maybe this restart now will actually have my voice working in Sons of the Forest. Look at that. Yep, look at that. Look at that. My voice activation's finally working in that too. Would you look at that? I'm still probably gonna call him on Discord because the audio was better. Or I'm wondering if the Discord open was the crash, but I don't know. I don't know! But it always happens. I don't know why it just keeps happening, to be fair. The Discord or not Discord, but like everything crashing at all times. Alrighty. Cool.
Oh.
Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Less. I'm gonna turn off. Okay, yeah, my audio thing is. I'm just gonna turn that off also in game. It's working in game finally, but I'd rather call you on Discord because the audio's better anyways.
Yeah, and it also means I can disappear off and you'll still be able to hear me and vice versa.
Which is nice.
Takes the proximity out of proximity chat.
Okay, so what was I doing last? I was cutting up a bunch of that. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3... I only have 3 golf carts? No, 4. Okay. 2 regular, 2 snowplows. No turtles. Oh, I'm looking for arms. Oh, no! But I thought I saved. Okay, I saved after that, but not after the arm I didn't. Okay, so I need to do the arm thing again.
Oh, bugger.
That's a butt. Oh, thank you, Street Cat Love, for following. Okay, that's okay. Let's go get some sticks.
Yep. So, slight issue.
Oh, no.
I'm back at where we started the stream.
Oh, because you didn't save either.
I didn't save, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Where is the nearest golf cart to me? There's not one. Okay. Well, let's see what I can do.
Oh, because I was about to say, where were you? No! Oh, man, that's so rough. That is so fucking rough. Because of my game crash, did it just kick you out?
Yes, aha.
Okay,
yeah.
That's ass. Yeah, that's acceptable. Ow. Okay. Now I just need 2 arms. And then we're gonna be sorted. I just need some cannibals. Okay, I'm gonna go save again, because it seems like my game and everything just does not like me right now. Owie, did not want to do that. Do I have any rotten arms? It's probably needs some nice fresh arms. How do the arms stay fresh though? When they're on the clock. I wonder if the snowplow does more damage to the cannibals compared to the regular golf cart.
Hmm. Why isn't that working?
For once in my life, I'm searching for cannibals. It's crazy. The squirrely. Pretty sure this is their camp here. Gonna fill up some water. We're gonna see how this goes. Alright. I guess I should have brought the golf cart with me. I just thought walking around would do this a lot easier, but it's really not. Or maybe could I? Yeah. Oh, shit. I forgot about that. Woo. Wait, no, no, no. Ah, fuck. I forgot how to fly it. Okay, never mind. Just switch out. I don't know what I'm doing. Not a single cannibal wants to give me their arms. I just want to finish my clock. Can someone just let me borrow their arms, please? Why can't I take Kelvin's arms? I feel like it's a great way to memorize him, right?
What, make his arms into a clock?
Come on. It just makes sense. They get a big toll this season. I think it'd be a great way to memorize. How do you fucking say that word?
Memorialize.
Yeah, that one. Memorialize him. Hey, you get with the crunchy grooves. Yeah, we got all this dried fish. Do I have more in my inventory? No, I don't. Okay, I need to get some. Forgot about this fishing setup that he set up for me. Fishing is nice. Do I have a spot for meat? Oh no. Who eats a fucking fish like that, bro? I wish I could put more than 3 fish at a time. I feel like that just doesn't make sense. I can only carry 3 fish at a time. Why not 4?
Also, the shells are really annoying at how little they hold.
Right?
I wish they held more. So you don't have to build like 18,000 of each.
Just for stuff, for some simple stuff.
Mm.
Nice. Now we got 3. I'm assuming with me collecting fish and taking care of the base, a cannibal's gonna show up some point.
You'd hope so.
The one time. Or to be fair, I could. Well, once you show up, we could do one of the like enchant one of our golden things.
True. Oh, also, apparently in the cave, like right outside our base, there's an artifact in there somewhere.
Oh, okay. Okay, we can check that out too.
I was just grabbing the artifact piece that I lost.
Nice. Oh shoot. Okay, yeah, 'cause you lost all that too.
Yeah. It's fine. Right, cool. Heading over now.
Okay, because yeah, we have 4 of the pieces. Hey, why not?
Just don't look on the map at how fast I'm moving right now. Because I am legging it. Almost.
Bruh, that's so funny. You're zooming.
Whee! Is this a... Oh, this isn't near our base, never mind.
I'm gonna try and see if I can see you whenever you're crossing.
Yeah.
You got zoom hacks on right now.
I do have zoom hacks on.
Wow. Oh yeah, brother.
Oh.
Hello. Ah!
Yeah, I'm gonna turn those off now.
Yeah.
Speed.
It's the artifact that made you do it.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Oh, I still have that on. Let's turn that one off. Super jump off. And then I want... Good. Nice. I am but a mere human again.
Let's go. Just a mere human.
The artifact's effects have worn off.
Nice. Well, let me see. I want to just unload some things real quick.
Actually, good idea. I'm going to save.
Oh, yes. Yeah, do that.
Not losing all that again. There we go.
I need to save as well. I forgot we have electricity in our house, too. I just added more batteries to that. Isn't that nice? We have electricity. Look at that, guys. It's a nice... Oh, okay. I hear my opportunity and legs.
Unfortunately, it's only it's the single one without arms.
No!
Yeah.
Bruh. All I want is arms, and you're telling me the one guy who shows up is the one with no arms. I'm pissed. Bring someone with arms. Ding dong. Every time. That's so frustrating. All I want is arms.
All I need is arms. I wonder if I chuck a flare, is that like come here? Well, first light the flare.
Maybe. I don't know.
If it works on people, it should work on cannibals.
You would think, but it doesn't seem like logic, you know, clicks with these people.
Yeah, true. I'll give you that one.
Alright, let's go sleepy.
Let's go sleep. I'm sure we'll be woken up by something in the night. Oh.
That's fair. Or we can also have you enchant something,
Wow.
or me,
Mm.
and we can have those people go ham on that. 'Cause I want to finish up our clock. Look at our house. Look how nice and bright this is. Alright, let me save and sleep. Alright.
Oh, shoot.
God damn. It's just Virginia. She came with a squirrel.
She does have an extra arm, so
How do
we
we...
really need that.
Thank you. Let me see what clothes... Oh no, we do have a... I do have a dress. Oh, look at that. I have that dress, swimsuit, tracksuit.
Well, tracksuit doesn't work the best. Any trousers, like...
This is cute!
There's just a hole in the back. There's just holes in the back.
Yeah, but that's totally fine. This is so much more
Yeah.
cuter for her. I like this. I eat this up for you. Yeah.
It's a lot less weird than a...
Everything else.
Yeah.
Okay, so she has the shotgun. She has my shotgun, actually, I'm pretty sure.
Yes, I have my shotgun, but she has my pistol.
Okay, I'm giving her a pistol. I'm giving her my pistol.
Does that drop the other pistol?
No, it just shows it differently for me than you for some reason. Because otherwise she doesn't have a gun at all on my end. Unless, I mean, let me see if I could just take that. Then does she still show she has a gun for you?
No. But I've got my shotgun back now. Oh, she's got my shotgun. Yeah, I'll be missing a pistol somehow, and I have no clue where it's gone. Oh well. I used the crossbow anyway, because it like one-shots everything.
Oh, was that you? Oh, you did your...
Yeah. Don't jump on that one though, because it just hits you straight into the trap above.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just send you away. Alright. Well, do we have any minerals to enchant stuff with?
I have a few. I only have 3. So we need 3 more.
I should have mined some when we were there. Damn it. I don't even have it on the shelves. Damn. Can't even engage a raid. Wow. Wow. Well, I guess, do you want to go inside the cave then?
Yeah. See what there is.
All right,
Try to find the.
let me drop all this shit off real quick. I need grenades. I'll keep sticky bombs on me. Okay, yep. Yeah, I'll keep that.
Sticky. Why is my fence underneath Fence Revolution things?
I'll just put my rope down. What are you listening to?
Watching the video because I've gone into this cave on the left fork on both this world or the right fork in both this world and on my world, and I've never been able to find like the second entrance.
Oh. Cool. I'm just putting that there.
Ooh, hiccups.
Just make some clean water right now, might as well. I just wanted to put that pot there just in case if I come across another pot. And I might as well take that fish, put that fish there. Oh. Let me just eat that bad boy on the floor real quick. Chat, how you guys doing? Is the stream working for you guys? None of you have said anything since. I just want to make sure.
Seems to be working. I do have it up.
Nice. Well, let's get ourselves to this cave.
Let's go.
Oh, let me grab all my medication. My dumbass, I'm always like this. Let me grab this. Let me grab that. Let me make sure I grab an arm mat.
That is my.
Where is my meds?
Medicated and dedicated.
I guess they're only inside. Okay. Away we go. And we're going into this one right here, right?
Yes, sir.
The close one abodes. Alright, let's get ourselves.
The first time the bats didn't scare me.
Oh, I didn't have the bats there at all. Oh well. You're good. It's working now. It's just usually when it's an hour in. I gotta figure. It's that. It gotta be that voice mod thing. So we gotta. Yeah, we gotta figure out how to uninstall that. But I'll talk to you later on that. I'm almost done here. Well, we're gonna go through here. Wait, there's something else on here. Location already discovered. I was about to say.
The thingy cave. I think it's the entertainment one in this cave. Do I have any
Jesus.
Molotov? There's bats, by the way. I have no alcohol. Disappointing.
Is there any?
I was gonna make Molotovs for the cave ahead, but so I know once it branches off to the right, it's a pain in the arse. Why can't I switch up and talk? Thank you, game.
Oh, there they are. Okay.
Oh,
Alright, let's... I have to make sure that these arms don't expire. Oh no, it doesn't let me take those arms.
no.
Why? Why? Man, they're gonna be picky about what arms I can get too. Oh shit, I need to drink some water.
Hmm? Hello.
Hello.
Good.
Oh my god, it's terrifying here. Okay. Yep.
Another lots. There's a lots. Do you have a Molotov?
I know. I believe so. Yes. I believe I can fly.
Nice.
Okay.
Well, another one. It's fine. Just run away
Yep.
from it. Run away from
Yep.
it.
Yep.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, that got the other guy behind him too. Good. Oh,
Nice.
he
If all those
spread his
fails-
badussy real quick for us. Oh, man.
You and that TikTok sound.
Badussy?
Not that one. The one about the.
Oh yeah, you know what I'm
Yeah.
talking about.
I
that.
know what you're talking about.
Okay, run.
Nice. Did they both go off? Yes. Andy. Ah, here's the fork.
Oh wait, there's one more. Let me get you.
Brutalization.
Hey, you know what? We gotta do what we gotta do right now.
Gotta do what we gotta do to survive.
Oh shit! Ah!
Hello.
I don't know how my knees didn't break from that, but okay.
Strongest knees in the West.
We do, I do. Away we go, sir. There's a crawl space there.
Yeah, I'm more interested in. Cool, please.
What's this? Oh, we got a lit up cross recipe here. I don't know if you saw that right over here.
Ooh.
Maybe that'll keep them away.
Yeah, there is something that way, but let's go this way. Okay, that way's dead.
This way?
Yeah, keep going that way.
Oh, it's a dead end. Okay. Yeah.
Is this a end?
No.
Okay.
Oh.
Ah,
I think
here we
this is
go.
where this is the artifact
Yeah.
area. Oh shit, it's just right here. Okay, damn. Look at that.
So what? That's
5.
5. 5 out of 7. We now need to break down where we've been before and where we need to go to.
Damn, it's only 2 more.
Yeah. To be fair, we collected how many? We collected 3 of them
3.
organically.
We did.
Then we had. I just heard a boing sound.
Sorry, that was my my alarm.
Okay. And then we got the one from the lights. And we got the one here.
Yeah.
We're not actually doing too badly. Nope.
Yeah, no, we're doing quite good on that.
Get up here before. Thank you.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, that's it. It just follows around. That's fair. Ow.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You were good.
Oh. Nothing here.
Dead end again.
Away we go.
To the surface.
There's so many people. I can't tell if they actually killed themselves or like what happened here.
They're in like weird places as well.
Yeah, like I
Like,
don't
on
understand.
And you haven't continued down the left here, have you?
Unless you did it. I don't think so. Unless
I
did it with
have.
you. Oh shit.
But I don't think you did.
Oh wow. It's another radio.
This guy radio.
Oh, the babies.
You 100% just executed me there, by the way.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh shit.
You're all good. You're all good.
Baby flying.
Baby flying. Do, 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 do. Oh my.
Did a baby
Giddy
fly at you?
No, it was a normal cannibal.
Oh. And I can't have their arms.
Yeah, around here there should be a stun gun for you.
Oh, yeah, I never got that.
Yeah.
Huh.
Then you can see like into a bunker here. And a sluggy will walk past every now and again, but you can't do anything with that.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
What? What the hell is that?
It's literally just a visual sluggy. Quite cute. I like it. Call him Roberto.
The big old slug. Wait, that was someone that didn't make it into the cave with us. Right?
I don't know. Because I don't know if they appear before we do everything else.
I just don't know, because I thought that person was supposed to be representative of you, but you were still with me, so I was just very confused. Of course I can't carry anymore. Boop, 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 boop. God, I don't know where to go to exit.
To the exit we must go. And then to save, so we don't lose that.
Yeah, that would be great. I see bats. Can't kill the bats though. Why? I don't want to eat bat meat.
There was an entire pandemic showing you why you probably shouldn't eat bat meat.
Oh, but it would be so yummy.
You'd get a year off work, not that it affects you.
Only a year.
Meh. Yeah, true. See, I wonder if another pandemic would help or hinder you.
Our
'Cause
country.
as in you personally, as a streamer.
I think it would help because more people would be at home watching stuff. I feel
Yeah,
like, wouldn't it?
I reckon so. I have more time to watch, especially like
Yeah.
your early morning streams and shit.
Yeah.
Not earlier streams. Has any friends been left for us?
Oh, the
For us?
bats.
That's far too much.
Probably not, because they don't want to let me have arms. All I want is arms. So I
All the time you
wonder
spend on.
what other one could have the artifact. Because that was so easy to get, you
Mm.
know?
To be fair, the issue is there's so many caves,
There is. Let
and
me
we've been
go,
in
I need to
quite a few.
fix my light. My light's like
Yeah.
flickering.
Oh.
Bro, my light was like hurting my eyes. Ow. I'm back. Oh, you're
Hello
good.
back. I am James.
Hey.
Ha ha ha.
Alright.
Ha ha ha.
Let me see. I don't need that.
Do I have a light bulb on me? Oh, I do.
I don't know. Is the video buffering? Bro, oh man, my stream is still buffering. Fuck me.
To be fair, that's the first time I've seen it happen.
Okay.
Like, it's been fine before.
I just don't know why it's been happening so much this week. That's why I was just like, I don't know. And the only conclusion is like, either this internet or what happened, but
It's your fridge.
it's my fridge.
Yeah, your fridge has been taking vengeance on everything else.
That breaker.
Yeah.
Yeah, it started acting up again on my end, from what it shows.
Yeah, no, you really need to clear your background applications.
I don't, yeah, because I don't know which one needs to be deleted, and I asked Chris if he knows, and I tried downloading this thing called the voice mod thing, but I deleted it, but like, on here it still shows it's still running, but it's not taking most of it. It's Sons of the Forest taking most of it, but usually it's not like this. Like, usually my games are not taking
Under
up
apps,
this
that things
much.
are running. If you like scroll to the top, is it all under apps?
I must be. I don't know. It just shows me CPU. I'm showing the thing.
As in, like, scroll to the top of all the things that are running. Where
Yeah.
you at the top?
The only thing is showing is Sons of the Forest and Streamlabs as the top things that are running.
Because I'm on like I have an awful CPU. Bearing in mind, I'm on 65% CPU and 49% memory. But I don't know why yours is tanking so much.
That's what I'm so confused about.
To be fair, you've got what is Windows Manager? It's a bunch of these that I don't know what they are.
That's what I did. I don't know either. That's why I need to look through it tonight and like figure that out. Because I don't know what any of these
Yeah,
things are, but I don't want to delete something and then that's like, oh my god, I really fucked up. You know what I mean? But like my
the weird
game
thing is,
should not be taking 73% CPU of this. Like, I
for
have
some
it all on
reason,
low settings. Like,
your my tasks are separated between apps and background processes in the like in the task manager, yours aren't, which is really
Yeah.
annoying. Like, it's hard to tell the difference for you. Oh, you can group by type. That's handy. If in the three arrows in the top right,
Yeah.
three dots in the top right, if you click that and then do sort by group by type, it should tell you what's background and
Oh, okay. Okay, so I can see this.
what's not. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, to be fair, I don't have anti-malware
I don't
on
have
mine.
anti-malware on mine either. I don't pay for that, so that
Oh, is it
shouldn't
just
be
the
on
core server?
here.
Oh, okay. No, don't worry. The core service is
But I can't do it. Yeah, it says I can't
see,
end
but
it.
your background processes are taking up a lot of things.
That's what I don't understand.
Like if I look at my okay, it's still taking up quite a bit to be fair, but not as much as you are.
It's saying I have 16 tabs open. I only have 2.
I for me it says 52. It might be notifications
How do you clear
rather than.
notifications?
Oh, good question. Um,
Like what the hell? Like, am I? Does anybody else have these types of questions when they're streaming? Because like, why is my computer at like 80% right now? Like I don't know if I can. I might have to end the stream here because it's like really lagging on my end. It might not be showing it for you guys, but I literally can't
yeah.
continue right now.
My Sons of the Force is only taking up like a third of my CPU.
Yeah, no, it's like spiking every time I click into the game. I don't know. I'm gonna have to. Well, that's rip. Let's go save, and then I'm gonna have to
Yeah.
log. I'm gonna have to get off stream and figure this out because this has been doing it this entire week, and I don't know because we got a new internet router, and I don't know what's the
Hmm.
situation with that, but like everything else on
Are
my
your
PC is
drivers
like
up
freaking
today?
out. My what?
Drivers.
I don't know. I don't know any of those things. I'm gonna be honest. Well, I
Okay.
can still
It
talk
might
to you
be
because we're on
checking
Discord.
your. Yeah, it might be. Yeah. If you want to end stream, then we can chat.
Well, I'm gonna. Well, because I have. You can still hear me, right?
I can still hear you.
Okay, I was just so not used to that. Chris is working from home, and he just got off work right now, so I'm gonna make him look at this because I'm meeting with Mel in like 2 hours to. We're gonna go to Red Lobster. We're gonna try the seafood boil, everybody. We're gonna try the seafood boil, everybody. But yeah, I'm gonna try and figure this out and look at this because my task manager. As soon as I ended Sons of the Forest, my CPU dropped back down to 22%.
Yeah, my CPU's on like 11% at the moment.
I don't know. I mean, Sons of the but it's every game that I'm playing right now that it's like absolutely breaking my computer before it didn't, and I brought it to the lowest settings.
It's either drivers outdated or just your your PC is slowly dying. It's probably just a drivers thing.
Yeah, because I just got this PC this year. I just bought it in January. So that's what I'm very confused about, but I gotta figure that out. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you go, and we're gonna raid out, right, buddy?
Cool.
I'll keep you updated. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Talk to you later. Bye.
Yeah, sorry guys. I'm gonna have to yeet out a stream here early. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. It's been doing this whole week, and I'm gonna have to upload it twice. Is Hazard live? Bet. You don't have to tell me twice. Yeah, it's a shame, and it kind of fucked up my analytics because I had a raid earlier, and the fact that I got cut off early. Ugh. That's not helpful, so I gotta make sure that's all situated. So I won't be streaming tomorrow at all because I gotta figure out this tonight into tomorrow. But I probably hop on the Minecraft server at some point later tonight. But we're gonna go ahead and raid our buddy Hazard. He's on the Minecraft server that I'm usually on playing as well. But luckily we got some artifacts today. We were productive, and today was the last day in the shark costume, so we had some good fun with that. We can't get too upset about that. Once I figure out what's the issue, we'll get it all done, because I didn't have this before, so it's probably things I need to press to update that I have not updated in a while. Also, quick thing, I am going to be uploading a bunch of YouTube videos, like 10 videos on the same day, just to get them out of the way, just so I can get caught up on my YouTube videos. So if you follow my YouTube and you're like, whoa, there's 10 2-hour streams in one day posted at the same minute, what's going on? It's because I'm trying to catch up, so my YouTube's not a month behind. I would like to keep my YouTube like 5 days to 3 days behind, so it's not too bad for me. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on that. But otherwise, we're gonna go ahead and raid Hazard. I love you guys. Sleep tight. Wake up. It's only 1 p.m. Have a great night.